In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit log in QuickBooks Online. The audit log is a powerful feature that allows you to track changes within your QuickBooks Online account. Whether you're managing a team or simply need to keep tabs on your account activity, the audit log provides a transparent view of all actions taken. Let's dive in and go through the steps to access and utilize this feature effectively. First, you'll want to go to QuickBooks Online. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks website. Once you're logged in, landing on the home page gives you a broad view of all your account features. From here, we're going to find the settings. The settings icon looks like a small gear, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu with a range of options aimed at customizing your account experience. Within the settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Audit Log. The audit log allows you to view a detailed list of all additions, deletions, and modifications made within your account. It's particularly useful for identifying what changes were made, when these changes occurred, and who made them. Think of it as a security camera for your account activity, ensuring that every action is documented. To navigate through the audit log, first focus on the drop-down menu labeled User. By clicking on this, you can filter activities by specific users in your organization. This is particularly helpful if multiple people have access to your account and you want to pinpoint actions by individual users. Next, you'll find a filter option called Date Changed. This feature is crucial when you need to narrow down actions to a specific time frame. Simply click on it to select a particular date range you're interested in investigating, whether it's the past week, month, or custom range. This can significantly simplify your search when monitoring activity over extended periods. Additionally, there's an Events filter that allows you to target specific types of actions. For instance, you might be only interested in viewing password changes, data imports, or transactions being sent. By clicking on this option, you can check or uncheck specific events based on what you need to review. The more precise you are with these filters, the easier it becomes to find exactly what you're looking for. With these tools, the audit log becomes an essential component of maintaining transparency and accountability within your QuickBooks Online account. It not only helps in tracking user actions, but also supports in uncovering any unusual activities that might require attention. And remember, regular monitoring can preempt many issues before they escalate into larger problems. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks.